Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Stampin' Up! Haul. So let me go ahead and show you. I finally broke down and bought the glass mat. So excited about that. I will do a full video on that as to why I bought it. It was available in December, and I chose not to get it because I wasn't sure I wanted it. But then, after hearing everybody and how great it was and seeing the different ways I could use it, I decided to grab it. And it comes with a glass mat accessory kit as well. So it's got this silicone tray, and it's got this wipe as well. I'll talk to you more about that again. But first, we're going to get through all the fun stuff that I got. A lot of this stuff is just, I went through and needed new things for my business. So this is the Stampin' Pierce mat. I've had one, I've lost it, and I cannot find it. So I bought a new one. And I know that as soon as I go to put it away, I'm going to find it. So I also bought some Stampin' Seal refill. I love that we can just refill over and over, and the refills are less expensive. I also got the Pretty Peacock blends, the light and the dark. They come in a packet of a pair, and I had this before, but when Pretty Peacock retired, I gave it to a friend of mine, and now I've repurchased it. So, again, a lot of this stuff is stuff, I do have a couple new things, but some of this stuff is just things that I need, like this. And so I'm showing you because you might need some of this stuff, you know, like the Stampin' Seal. You don't have to throw away those things, or the cutting blades. Not sure if you know, but all you have to do is replace the cutting blades, or there's also the scoring blade, so you can do that. I went through and I had some re-inkers that were not as perfect as I'd like them to be. And so I got the re-inkers, Blackberry Bliss, Cajun Craze, Coastal Cabana, Garden Green, and Pool Party. Those are the ones that I need right now. And as I go through, I will find more, and as I find more, I will let you know. Fun for me is always the embellishments. So these are the transparent adhesive back dots. Loving the colors. That's why I had to get those as we're going into fall. These are adhesive back swirl dots. And I don't know if you could see the swirls on those. Very pretty. And then these are in color opaque sparkle dots. I didn't have any in color of the current new in colors, so I decided to not the current, the 2023, nothing at all. I didn't have any type of embellishments in those current 2023-2025 in colors. So I got these. They are very sparkly. I love it. Speaking of love it, I got this. This is the Full of Life 6x6 Designer Series paper, and I am so excited about this one. So grabbed that. And apparently I am very excited about this one because I picked up two. So one will be going in my prize box, but it's a bundle, so you know, I was excited about the bundle savings. I don't know if you're aware, but right now you can save not only the regular 10% of a bundle, but an additional 10%. But again, this is another one. I've been seeing it all over the place and just wishing I had it, so I went ahead and got it. And it comes with little dies, and they're so tiny. It's only 2 little dies, but I love this little pocket. And there's those 2 little dies. I mean, who doesn't use these all the time? So got those. I'll just put these in here for right now. And then, of course, this one is going in my prize box for my next bingo. So I hope you liked my little haul here. I am looking forward to restocking my shelves and using that glass mat. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. And if you like the hauls that I'm doing, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. It helps my channel, and I appreciate you guys and all your support. So, especially if you want to see that glass mat in action, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!